Hey guys, so this is a couple of extra little cutie pies that I've been working on. I have made a couple of these. Let's say this is about probably 8 inches in height or 6. Oh, forgive the paint. Probably 6 to 8 inches. I'm not sure. But yeah, they came out cute. I haven't put faces on them yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it. And then I have a little guy and a little girl to match. And then I have this little guy here, but he got wet and his clothes kind of got a little messy tessy here. So I'm just gonna scoot these over. And they're big. I'm gonna show you this cute little Gingy here. She got her cute little dress. Some little pom-poms with buttons on her chest. I might put some buttons here, I'm not sure yet. But she does have like the ice cream or icing melted on the hair to make hair for her. So yeah, and it's the way she looks on the back. Got some of that dust on her. And I did shabby this material up, so you are gonna get some of this like string pull away, but that's easily remedied with just a lighter going over the edge of the fabric. But I like that kind of shabbiness. And yeah, so I might add something here, I'm not sure yet, and something probably up here. So that's this cutie pie. And then there's this little gal, which she's different. Instead of white frosting, she has red, not frosting, excuse me, icing. Little feet. And I did not put her the icing. I'm thinking maybe I could put it on this side, or maybe she just doesn't need it. And yeah, so I'm still debating whether I'm gonna hang her or just keep her as a doll to sit down. And I did add a little heart button here. I'm gonna add something there as well. And then another one of this guy. This is a duplicate. The next one is not gonna have the buttons on the cheeks. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you are not a subscriber. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Nice to meet you. Hopefully you will come back, you will stay. All these, if you are interested, they will be going in my Etsy shop. I'm making a whole bunch more. This is made out of fleece. This one is made out of a very thin felt. So it's almost like, if it gives off like a leather feel to it. So this can be an ornament on the tree or just a little doll. You could even add a magnet to the back to make it plushy. Let's see. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And some of these, I'm making some of these to send out to some friends for Christmas. So yeah, let me know what you think again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.